One Moreview present top 5 best vinyl cutters under $300. Let's get started with the list of the best vinyl cutters under $300. Number 1. Silhouette Portrait 2 Electronic Cutting Tool. This top-of-the-line vinyl cutter makes a name for itself with impressive reviews and functionality. It supports wireless operation via Bluetooth, is highly adaptable to a host of different materials, and comes under $300. It is compatible with Mac and other PC operating systems and comes with a host of exclusive designs. It supports wireless operation, great adaptability to different materials, and is very affordable. This vinyl cutter compatible with different operating systems. Number 2. Cricut Explore Air 2. This gadget is the ideal kit for the DIY craft hobbyist and boasts its ability to cut a wide range of materials. It comes with a host of accessories, connects seamlessly to a mobile device or computer, and offers a vast design library with a monthly subscription package. It also comes at just under $300 and is compact and portable. Seamlessly it can cut a wide range of materials. This device has great connectivity to different devices and an impressive design library. Cricut Explore Air 2 is an affordable and portable device. Number 3. Silhouette Cameo 4 with Bluetooth. The Silhouette Cameo 4 is a great vinyl cutter that combines affordability and functionality into a compact, lightweight unit. It is the ideal desktop tool for art hobbyists and businesses, and comes with impressive cutting technology and control. It emphasizes automated control with outstanding features like tool type detection, novel motor technology, smart tangential technology, etc. This device is affordable, compact, and lightweight. Also, it's great for a host of different materials. Silhouette Cameo 4 has great automated control and novel technology. Number 4. Brother Scan & Cut SDX 125E Electronic DIY Cutting Machine. This great gadget pulls cutting and scanning technology into a compact unit for more impressive variety. It comes with automatic material sensing technology, boasts of great cutting power, and comes with a stack of accessories. It comes at under $300 and supports wireless operation through the Brother Canvas Workspace app. This device combines cutting and scanning capabilities. Also, it is affordable and supports wireless operation. Built with great material HNLEABILITY, cutting power, and accessories. Number 5. Vever Vinyl Cutter Machine with LCD Display. The Vever Vinyl Cutter 28-inch plotter machine combines the compactness of desktop vinyl cutters with industrial-grade machine's flexibility. It comes with ergonomic features like an easy-to-use control module backed with an LCD, an emergency start/stop switch, and is highly adjustable to different widths. It comes under $300 and is highly compatible with different operating systems apart from Mac. It is a compact device with flexible material. Affordable and comes with ergonomic features. It has great compatibility with different operating systems.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.